Hey everyone, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Louise. I am Louise, your Independent Pampered Chef Consultant. Summer is nearly here, and so are our new products. Stay tuned to find out what's coming out in June. Had to put my glasses on so I could see. All right, so as you guys probably know by now, as a Pampered Chef Consultant, we get the opportunity to earn the new products for free. And I have them here. All these products I'm about to show you won't come out until June 1st. Now, we're gonna start with the smaller products and lead up to the big one. We are getting 2 new rubs in. So if you're familiar with Pampered Chef, you know that we already carry a large assortment of different rubs and seasonings, all of which are gluten-free. Now, we are adding to our collection a Kansas City style barbecue rub and a South Carolina style barbecue rub. Both perfect for all the barbecues you're going to be having this summer. Next up, I want to share with you a product that we carried some time ago, but they have come back, and that's our corncob knobs. I'm so excited I can't even speak. These are our corncob knobs, and they do come in this handy dandy little storage container, which I like, keeps everything all together, and these are them. So for those that are familiar with Pampered Chef, these used to come green. Now they come in the trendy gray color, and so they will match all of our other great products that come in gray. Now, what I love about our corncob knobs is you put them in your ears of corn while your corn is raw, and then you can boil them or microwave them. So there you go. Then you take it out and you can eat your corn. Next up is the big product that we're getting for the summertime, and that is our rectangle cool and serve tray. So if you're familiar with Pampered Chef, you probably already know that we carry a square cool and serve in 2 sizes, a large and a small. I'll put my video for the large cool and serve down in the description. So this one is a nice big rectangular shape. As you can see, it's nice and big. And what I like about all of our cool and serves is that the lid conveniently fits on the bottom. So when you go to your potluck or your barbecue or your picnic, you're not looking around for somewhere to put the lid. It conveniently goes underneath. This right here is the container that your food will actually be going in. And then these are the 2 freezer packs. You just pop these in the freezer, get them nice and frozen, and whenever you're headed out to your party, you just pop them in, and it will keep your food chilled for 4 to 6 hours. Now, what would you make in our rectangular cool and serve? I'm thinking a banana pudding, potato salad, a 7-layer salad or a 7-layer dip. What about a trifle type dessert where you have the cut up chunks of cake and Cool Whip and some fruit? Anything that needs to stay chilled. You could also just put your meats and cheeses for if you were going to do a sandwich tray. There we have our new products, you guys. I'm super excited about them and just wanted to share them with you. Now, you know the routine. Please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Ring the bell so you're going to be notified of all my upcoming videos, and please share. Thanks so much for watching, and like I always say, happy cooking!